Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get and use the campfire in 7 Days to Die. So first of all, to begin, this is going to be useful for cooking up some food, making some chemicals like paints, glue, or some medicine. So to begin, first of all, we'll need 5 small stones to craft the campfire. Small stones can be found as laying on the ground like this, and you can go ahead and pick them up by pressing E. Or they can be found as these larger stones and using your stone axe or any tool that can break stone. You want to just go ahead and break it, and as you can see, you'll get some stone from it. Now, just go to your crafting and search for campfire. Go ahead and craft it, place it down, and now to use it, you'll need some fuel, which can be coal or plant fibers, anything that you have at hand. Here you'll see how long will the fuel last. You can go ahead and turn it on to heat yourself up if it's cold outside, or collect some food and then just process it further in the campfire to get more nutrients from it. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.